How does priority date affect adjustment of status eligibility? Imagine waiting in line for a special event, but the line keeps moving forward and sometimes even backwards. That's how the priority date works in U.S. immigration. It's a key part of understanding when you can apply for a green card through adjustment of status. Your priority date is usually the date when your immigrant petition or labor certification was filed. It's like your spot in line for a green card. To be able to file for adjustment of status, your priority date must be current. The U.S. Department of State publishes a monthly Visa Bulletin that shows cutoff dates for each category and country. If your priority date is earlier than the date listed for your category and country, it means your date is current. That's when you can submit Form I-485, the application to become a lawful permanent resident, if you are already in the United States. There are two important charts in the Visa Bulletin. One is the Dates for Filing chart, which tells you when you can submit your adjustment of status application. The other is the Final Action Dates chart, which shows when your application can be approved and you can get your green card. Sometimes, you can file when your priority date is current on the first chart, but your application will only be approved once your date is current on the second chart. If your priority date isn't current yet, you will need to wait. It can move forward or backward depending on visa demand and availability. Backward movement is called retrogression, and it can delay your process. This means you might have to wait months or even years before your date becomes current and you can move forward with your adjustment of status. For Latino families navigating the U.S. immigration system, understanding your priority date helps you know when you can apply and when you might get approved. It's important to keep an eye on the Visa Bulletin each month. Your waiting time depends on your family relationship category, your country of origin, and how many visas are available for your category. Staying informed about your priority date is a practical step. It helps you plan your next move and avoid unnecessary delays. Remember, only when your priority date is current can you file your adjustment of status application and hope for approval. So, check the Visa Bulletin regularly and be ready to act when your date becomes current. That way, you're taking the right steps toward your goal of becoming a permanent resident in the United States.